Good afternoon, guys. This is Dave. I'm from India Trading Academy. Let's review the charts we are having this week and we'll discuss the trades over the sessions. So, let's get started. We'll start with Nifty as this is a holiday today, so market is not open today. Yeah. So, as we discussed last time, this is the pattern we are in and we can bounce from here. So, the Nifty did bounce from here. We are still holding the shorts. We are not out of the trades, but it could be just a correction to get one more down, because if it wants to go up we need to go to the lower time frame and see what's happening inside. As per the data we have right now, there's no sign for the upside right now. Any short trade you get, keep selling it to the downside. If it's keep going up correctively, you better sell on the top to get more profit. Okay, there's no upside sign right now here, so all you need to do to have the strategy to trade in the right direction. So we are here to show you the direction of the market over the next week. I'm sorry, over this week. So over this week you can just see the direction of the market, and you got to have your strategy which you were taught uh, in the training, or if you have not done the course and if you have learned somewhere like someplace else, you better have the trading strategy where you have the specific rules to sell or buy. Okay, just don't buy because I'm saying it's going down or up. Cool. All right, so any correction you find to the downside, you can just trade the down. You got to have the strategy for that, and nothing special in FT. Keep shorting it, and those who are holding the shorts, add more trades if you see the correction pattern and all that. So pattern wise in Nifty, nothing got changed. We are still in this pattern. Okay. All right. Bank Nifty, someone wants to know. Yeah, we can cover that, but it's similar to the Nifty, like wherever the Nifty goes, and so does this actually. All right, let me see what's this yellowish line coming. Yeah, so this is, let's dig into deep in this actually. Like I'll show you. Okay, so this is Bank Nifty chart. This is a monthly chart, and we are following a trend which looks corrective. Okay, and we are at the top. Okay, and we have given close above it. Okay, it's not a breakout. Okay, don't understand, if it breaks the line it doesn't mean anything. Just remember, I drew this line. Okay, market doesn't know where is the line. Okay, so anything close above or below, it's not a breakout. Okay, you have to have some rules to call it a breakout. Okay, so we got to see these kind of things in the market. Okay, we just don't blindly do that. So anything above here, it doesn't make any sense. It's still, it looks corrective. So go to the lower time frame, and similar pattern to the Nifty, nothing special here. Okay, just if you see, the only difference here, it just got a wick below this. Nifty didn't get it. So I'm telling you, it doesn't make sense that way also. Wick का कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Structure wise, nothing has changed in Bank Nifty as well. Okay, we you can short it here. You can look for more trades if you want to draw the pattern. We are still in the pattern. Now go to the lower time frame. Same thing. No sign to the upside right now. Correct. When will the sign come if you want to buy? If you are intact of this impulse, let it do this and then you buy here. Does not matter if it goes that way. Okay, but if it does this, like this was already impulsive move a little, if it does this, there's more selling. So you need to understand the market. As I said last time, market tend to change the pattern. So you need to look over when you're trading, what is the pattern developing, whether it's going more up, can I short it on a higher price, or time to buy. That depends on your analysis, that depends on your skills, and that depends on the level you've been trading, like the experience, how long you've been seeing the charts and all that. Okay, so the direction right now, the data we have, nothing changed to the upside, it's still downside, not much to it. Axis Bank, it's a part of Bank Nifty. Am I typing it correctly? Yeah, so we are in a consolidation over here, right? So you see this impulse, you are in this consolidation. Two things: if it breaks up, you get better chance to short it. We would be still hitting this down. Okay, nothing change in terms of, again, the pattern. Okay, the only thing you need to pay attention, whether this move will come or not. It can do directly this, or it can go a little up and then down. How do we know it? Remember, you are on weekly chart. Just go to a lower time frame to see that. Any sign for the upside, you can buy. But right now, as you see, there's no sign for the upside right now. Okay, you are running in this pattern. As long as you are not breaking this top, you might do this and then this. So better to, as long as you're following this pattern, just remember, look for your shorts. That will give you bigger trade to the downside. If you buy like this, be careful. This will be your potential. If you're buying somewhere, this will be your potential. Okay, so it's better to look shorts on these trades according to the patterns, the way they are developing right now. All right, these are the majors we cover. Any other major you want to ask, guys? It could be anything, like, but it has to be majors. Just don't ask me the less traded. All right, nothing here. Okay, let's go to commodities. We'll start with crude, right? What happened? Downside. Okay, so tomorrow market opens. Make sure where does that open. You see these levels. These are the levels we drew, right? So we drew from last week. I'm not sure whether it was public video or our personal trading room, but we drew this line for the resistance. All right, as per that, just short it. If it open a little gap up, don't worry about that also. Okay, oh, I'm sorry. Just let me do it again. You just need to fib this thing. The higher, the better. Okay. So the higher, the better, the shorter. Okay. You need to look short. Keep looking short. Look for the short this week for crude. Depends where are you getting it. If it opens and gap down like this, then that's a actually then you need to consider where would your stop loss go. Okay, there how much there is a room. Okay, but still this is a downside for this week. Gold, it gave a little surprise for us, and somebody actually messaged me, yeah, where your gold trade is not working. I told you, let's analyze this for a while. See, this is a pattern. We were seeing this, right? And this is a breakout. As I said on a Bank Nifty chart in this video right now, breaking out a trend line doesn't mean it is breaking out. You got to have some rules. Now my buy would come somewhere on 618. Now you tell me, where is my buy setup? Like, right? So I'm not into buy in this. Although I was looking for a buy, but I didn't get it. So it doesn't mean I lost the money or I lost the trade. Okay. Anyways, losing the trade doesn't make any sense actually. There is no trade in the world who like wins 100%. Okay, if it's somebody saying I win all the time, definitely he's lying. Okay, but the thing I'm trying to show you, there's no buy for me. I As we discussed, this is a pattern. Let the pattern break up. Let it prove it's going up, and then we should have bought it here. Okay, this would be our buy if we could have got it. Okay, what we get? No breakout. Keep going down, and at this moment we left it. So there's no such sign for the upside. So now what? Always the pattern got changed. Now we are into this pattern. All right. So what do we do? Look for shorts. All right. But be careful, actually. The way it looks right now, it can do this because you already are here. Okay. Just pay attention. What does it do on this level? And if like there's no buying coming on this level, definitely there's more downside to it. Okay. As per the RSI, correction. It is a little corrective on the RSI. What else we cover? Crude we already did. We cover silver, same as a gold. Natural gas, it was good trade for us last week. In the video I was watching it like this. Actually, I'm sorry, let me delete the setup. Yeah, so we were actually watching it like this. This was the impulse we were into, and this is how it broke. And here our buying setup would come for this move, right? But actually one of our student saw this, and he actually, this is not my trade, this is one I got in this trade because of our student, not of me. I was looking for a little upside. So sometimes our student gets more smarter than me or something like that, if that is a terminology. All right, so this is a harmonic pattern, and this is a valid double top. This is a perfect double top if you have specific rules for the double top. Oops. Yeah, let me zoom in for you guys. Okay, so this was a double top trade within the harmonic pattern. This over here, if this is not a double top for you, these two tops, you need to reconsider your double top strategy. For us, this is a perfect valid double top, so we got entered here, and our first target got hit. That's how we are still in the short. So we are holding the shorts till this level, and we want to watch out on, we would be very careful over this. Okay, any change in the pattern will update you guys. Okay, according to RSI, a little downside can come, so keep holding that. Any other majors you cover? All right, so these will be the trades. Natural gas short, crude short, gold. You need to pay attention on the pattern. Okay, but still a short. Nifty short, keep adding the trades. Axis Bank, I already revised it. Any other question you guys have regarding any trade setup this week? All right, everything's fine. Great, perfect. All right, so this is India Trading Academy. If you are watching it on YouTube or something, this is you where you can find us. This is indiatradingacademy.com. You just need to come here on a scroll down. This is where, if you want to join us live, we do it on Sundays, but right now we are doing it on Monday. That I already have discussed with you guys why we are doing it on different days. All right, so it will be back on Sundays soon. But you just come here, make the registration, and this is how you get the free public session live. Or anyways, we're still putting it on YouTube, so you can watch it there. And if you want to come every day with us, we have a trial trading room, which is just a $500. You just try the trading room for every week, like the trade or for the natural gas, actually, like I'm sorry, like these kind of trades. So we watch them every day. So any changes in the pattern, you get the updates immediately live. All right. So it's actually worth it. It's worth the trial. Then you can decide whether you want to continue or not. But remember, this is not for a beginner. This is for the person who knows the charting and who knows the terminology of the market, who knows how the market move and all that stuff. Okay. If you are a total beginner, this might not be worth for you. All right, guys. So I'm going to keep a special session. I'll send you the message accordingly, and let's keep it next week. Thank you guys so much for coming. This is India Trading Academy signing off. Thank you so much. Bye bye.